How do I prepare for my recovery from behavioral addiction?
A life of recovery in a harm reduction perspective is a continued sort of orientation to reducing the harm that the bad habit, the substance, the behavior has caused you. It often includes making room for occasional relapses and, most importantly, learning from your relapses rather than seeing yourself as a failure in some way. Life is rather ordinary. It need not involve ongoing treatment, though advised. It need not involve a support group, but advised. It need not have a lot of components, but it's a philosophy of self-improvement, if I could characterize it in its totality. Just, I'm going to improve myself a little bit each day, each week, and it's about not feeling deprived, but seeing yourself as growing and maturing and getting more out of this experience we call life.